Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and these are the top 3 reasons why you should get an Air Jordan 3 reimagined. So this is the reimagined version of the true white cement 3s. Obviously it came out in 1988. I don't need to go into the history, but it is one of the best sneakers of all time. This is one of the reasons why you need to get it, because it is one of the best sneakers of all time. Second, the Nike Air. What else do you want? You need this. You don't want no Jumpman. You want the true Nike Air. Now people are going to be a bit off because it's off coloured there and on the midsole, but who cares? You got the Nike Air at the back. And the third reason why you need to get this, I'm going to say it again, it's the bloody Air Jordan 3. It's the white cement colourway. When are you going to ever see this come out again? So those are my top 3 reasons as why you should buy a pair of Air Jordan 3s. Reimagine the white cement version. If you're able to get a pair, because I know that these will be on the secondary market. I'm talking a lot. Let me enjoy these sneakers. Until next time, guys, remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end on Instagram. Until next time, peace.